Hi everyone, my name is Olivia and I'll be talking about the Brendan Dassey case. If anybody's familiar with the show Making a Murderer on Netflix, this case is what that show is based off of. So Teresa Hallback went missing on October 31st, 2005, and Stephen Avery, which is Brendan Dassey's uncle, was the initial suspect in the investigation. Brendan was implicated into the case because he took his uncle's car along with his brother to go buy Mountain Dew and the police pulled him over. The police began investigating and interrogating Brendan immediately, and they interrogated Brendan for a total of 5 times before he confessed on March 1st. And the court ruled his confession involuntary in 2016 because they found that it violated his 14th Amendment right of due process. Now, during the interrogation, he was never properly read his Miranda rights, and the police never tried to make sure he understood his Miranda rights either. He was also 16 at the time of the interrogations, which means that he was a minor, and he wasn't given any proper counsel. There was no parent or guardian present. They didn't give him a proper lawyer at all. So all of his Miranda rights were violated, and they used that against him. Additionally, he was also intellectually limited, so he didn't have the capacity to understand how the legal system works, what his rights were, how to exercise his rights. So that also played into the decision of ruling his confession false. So they used the Reed technique during the interrogation, which has 9 steps, and it is known or primarily used to elicit a confession. And they used Brendan's vulnerabilities against him in order to make him confess. And during his confession, he gave details about the case that had no physical supporting evidence of any kind, which is also another reason why they ruled his confession false. He's currently still in prison, and they're still working on trying to free him and exonerate him of the murder.